Hey little artists! Today, we're going to draw a super cute Valentine mug filled with love. Grab your markers and let's start!
Yay!
Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Start by drawing a big heart shape in the center. Now, draw two adorable wings on both sides of the heart. Behind the heart, draw a big cylinder shape to make the mug. Add some cute little hearts on top of the mug, like they're floating out.
La da 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 dee.
Finally, draw the handle of the mug on the side. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Wow, our mug looks amazing, and it's dancing.
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's grab our colors and have fun. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Purple color.
La 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 la.
Blue color.
La 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 la.
Yellow color. Pink color. Wow! Our Valentine mug looks super cute and colorful. You all did an amazing job. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you next time.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.